Why does YouTube tell me to make a banner this big when most people only see about this much of it? In this video, I'll show you the correct banner size and how to make it look good no matter where people see it. Now let's head over to Canva. In the search bar, type YouTube banner. Click Templates. Then choose Create a Blank YouTube Banner. Canva automatically creates a banner that is YouTube's recommended size. That's 2560 pixels wide by 1440 pixels tall. You can absolutely start with one of Canva's templates if you like. Just remember that no matter which design you choose, you'll still want to keep the important parts of your banner inside the safe area. That brings up a good question. If people only see a small part of your banner, why does YouTube want us to create such a large image in the first place? Think of it like a birthday cake. You have to bake the whole cake in order to get a slice. YouTube banners are the same exact way. YouTube displays the same banner differently depending on the device someone is using. Someone watching on TV may see the entire banner, while someone on a computer and phone sees way less. So the next obvious question is, how do you make sure that the most important parts of your banner are always visible? This isn't as hard as you think. I'm going to show you my go-to method for creating the safe area. Press R on your keyboard to add a shape. If you're using a phone or a tablet, you can also add one from the Elements panel. With the rectangle selected, set the width to 1546 pixels and the height to 423 pixels. Then arrange it to the center and middle of the page. And definitely don't do what I did in the beginning, which was open up a custom project size 1546 by 423, because YouTube won't accept it. This rectangle, it represents the portion of your banner that's visible across all devices. In most cases, you'll want to keep anything important inside the safe area. The exception might be something that's intended specifically for TV viewers, like a QR code, since people watching on a television will see much more of the banner than someone on a phone. I actually needed to update my YouTube banner so that I could put a QR code on it for television viewers. So what you're seeing next is kind of me working out that banner and making sure that it is the correct size. This banner follows the safe area guidelines, and everything important fits inside this rectangle. The only downside is that the rectangle covers up the part I actually want to inspect. So while I'm designing, I like to take it one step further. I use this phone banner checker to see what someone on a mobile device is most likely to see. Instead of it covering up the safe area, it shows me what someone on a phone is most likely to see so I can quickly check my work. If something important is hidden or too close to the edge, I know I need to make adjustments before I upload my banner. I also have a similar checker for the desktop view, which gives me another quick way to double check my work. If you would like a copy of both of these YouTube banner templates, I'll have them linked in the description box below. And if you're watching on TV, you can scan the QR code. Let's upload the banner to YouTube and see how it looks. In YouTube Studio, go to Customization, then Profile, and under Banner Image, click Change or Upload if you don't have one already. After selecting your banner, YouTube will show you a preview of how it will appear on different devices. Take a moment to make sure your important content is still clearly visible. Once you're happy with how everything looks, click Publish. If something doesn't quite look right, you can always go back into Canva, make an adjustment, and upload it again. Now, I need to go check my TV real quick because this is the first time I'm adding a QR code, and I have a feeling that I'm going to have to move it a little bit. The TV UI does cover up some important things, but honestly, it doesn't stay up long enough to matter. But the search bar did cover up the QR code enough that I did want to move it to a better location. If you have a QR code on your banner, you'll want to make sure it's visible. Let me check that again. Perfect. It doesn't stay up long, so I'm not as concerned about the TV view. Your banner fits correctly now, but what should actually go on it? Watch this next as Doug, Houston, and I share our best tips for creating an effective YouTube banner.